The importance of engines in daily life. Overview of different types of engines: combustion, electric, hybrid, a brief history of engine development. 2. Internal combustion engine ICE basics. 3-4 minutes. How gasoline and diesel engines work, the four-stroke cycle, intake, compression, power, exhaust. The role of fuel, air, and spark in creating power. 3. Key components of an engine. 3-4 minutes. Pistons, cylinders, crankshaft, camshaft, valves. How oil and cooling systems keep engines running efficiently. The importance of the exhaust system in emissions control. 4. Diesel versus gasoline engines. 3-4 minutes. Key differences in performance and fuel efficiency. Why diesel engines are used in trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Environmental concerns and future regulations. 5. The rise of electric engines. 3-4 minutes. How electric motors work compared to combustion engines. Battery technology and regenerative braking. Advantages and disadvantages of electric power. 6. Hybrid engines, best of both worlds. 3-4 minutes. How hybrid vehicles combine gasoline and electric power. Benefits of hybrids: fuel efficiency, reduced emissions. The role of regenerative braking in energy conservation. 7. Future engine technologies. 3-4 minutes. Hydrogen fuel cells, a possible alternative to gasoline and electric. Advances: AI-driven engine management. The role of sustainable fuels in the future of transportation. 8. Common engine problems and maintenance. 3-4 minutes. Why engines overheat and how to prevent it. Regular maintenance tips: oil changes, air filters, and spark plugs. The importance of engine diagnostics and warning signs. 9. Conclusion and final thoughts. 1-2 minutes. Recap of different types of engines and their advantages. The shift towards cleaner and more efficient power sources. Final thought: the future of engines is evolving. What's next?